guys? It's Greg Reitz live on social media and YouTube coming at you from EXP Fresno, California. Guys, we're doing our monthly market update for real estate and mortgages. So let's get right into it. Grab that coffee, grab that water, grab that pen, paper, and let's go take some notes. This podcast is geared to help buyers, sellers, and investors invest in real estate if it's the right time. We get into a little bit of specifics. We'll be done in just between 7 and 9 minutes. Here we go, guys. Okay, market update first on the loans. First of all, the Feds met this week and they raised the interest rate a quarter point, 0.25%. And here's about where we're at now on those rates. They expect to meet, they're going to meet six more times. They may or may not raise the rates every time. We don't know. They're going to watch inflation and watch the market overall and see how performs on inflation and also purchasing power and buyers confidence in the market and the economy. So they will be meeting six more times. They may or may not raise the rates every time, slightly. We don't know. We'll have to watch that. They did go up a quarter point. So right now the conventional credit score is running with a 740 credit score. Conventional loans running between 4.25 and 4.75. 4.25 to 4.75, depending on credit score. VA, we love our veterans. Veterans are running out with a 700 credit score, about 3.75 to 4%, 3.75 to 4. So that's a very good rate for those veterans out there. We love our vets. Go VA. FHA on a 660 credit score, we're looking at about 3.875 to 4 and an eighth. So that's a great score. Under 4% for FHA. That's 3.5% down. VA 0% down. The conventional is 3 to 5 or more percent down, depending on your credit score and your buying power. USDA, you're running right around 4.5% on a USDA. A USDA loan is the United States Department of Agricultural loan, and it's 0% down. Based on a conventional loan, 0% down. It's area specific, mostly in the county, in the countryside, or certain areas that are in town. And that's 0% down with the right agents like us. We can get you in with zero money down on those type of loans. You're going to pay a little bit more for the interest rate because of the risk to the bank, right about 4.5%. Okay. The market right now is very strong still. We expect a little bit of a change, but the market's very strong. It's still considered a seller's market. Okay, that's where you're at right now. The Rights Team Real Estate EXP in Fresno keeps up on this. So I got a few specifics now, and I'm going to read off my cheat sheets here so I can get it accurate for you and give you the right information. Now that's what's the mortgage updates were the national mortgages, and that's from one of our local lenders here in Fresno. Let me give you the real estate update now. There's going to be about 5 different things I'm going to go over here that are important. Okay, inventory to pricing per square foot to price average sale. So for Fresno County in February 22, I'm talking about February 2022, we have 888 units, up 1.2% compared to last month. So we have homes for sale. We actually went up, so we're getting a little bit more inventory. That's really good for you buyers. A little more inventory. Market is stabilizing a little bit. Perfect. We need that. Homes listed in February, 1,043 units. So listing inventory went up. Okay, 7.1% month over month. So more sellers are listing now from January to February, over 7%. Part of it was during past the holidays. That's why. But also sellers realize we're pretty much at the top of the market and they're feeling that. So they're wanting to list and sell. It's the right time to list and sell. We'd love to help you with that if you'd like. Greg Reitz, 559-261-777. Home closed in February. 763 units actually closed in February, up 0.3%. So almost the same amount of closes, up a little bit from January to February this year on closed sales. So we're listing and we're selling them about the same place we list them. Very strong. Under contract, pending deals, a new listing comes up, we get an accepted offer on it. 1,012 units. So almost as many units as listed, 1,043, 1,012 went under contract. So it's, about 96% of listings are going pending, immediately in that month. Very strong market for the sellers, and with the interest rates slightly climbing, buyers on the fence, It's time to buy because those rates are not going down. It's time to secure that property, make it happen for you. Uh, Rents have gone up to an all-time high, breaking records, right? So renting is not an option anymore, in my opinion, and buying is it's the right time to do it. Waiting will only cost us money. Let me give you some true information here. I actually purchased a property recently. Some people are waiting. Most people are still buying. And when I purchased, I purchased in March of last year. Definitely the right time to buy, and that is an investment property and it's performing very well. So your agents, lenders are all purchasing right now. Also, average sold price per square foot is $235. So in Fresno County, our average price per square foot on homes active and available on the market are $235 a square foot. Of course, that changes from area to area. Okay, that's very good. That's um that's up from 233 last month, and from December from 227. So price is still increasing a little bit. Price per square foot is changed a little bit, as you know. Okay, continued days on the market is down. So the days on the market from February to January this year, 2022, is down. So the time that we list a property to get an accepted offer has went down by a couple days, okay, which is really good. I mean, we were at 26, 27, now we're at 24, 25 days for an accepted contract on a property, okay? From listing price for sellers out there that are thinking about selling, when you list a property, you should know this and make sure that your agent that you meet with has specifics for you. I'm going to give you some more here. This will help you. When you list a property, right now in February, we're selling at 100% of asking. Now, that's the average agent in Fresno County. The rights team verified from the MLS system is closing at about 102.1%. So over 2% of asking price when you list with the Rights Real Estate Team EXP Fresno. That's more money in your pocket. Uh, Going to the next page, February 22, average price sale is neutral. So the prices have only went up about $550. So the price is very stable now, stabilizing quite a bit. Okay, and as the days on the market is, like I said, 24, 25. Seller's market for February 2022 is what we're calling it again. And we have 1.1, the same as last month, 1.1 months of inventory. Okay. Average sell price 414,000. 414,000 is your average medium sales price in escrow and closing in Fresno County. Guys, I'm sure all this information helped you. Play it back and forth so that you can write down those specifics. And of course, as always, if you need more information, any questions answered, feel free to call Greg Reitz, the Reitz team, Kylie Reitz, or Dylan Reitz at 559-260-1777. Ticking across the bottom of your screen. We love being professionals. We love helping you. And you have a great week. Talk to you guys soon.